Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, motivation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. This is the third door, and consistency is key for you right now. You have a lot of success. You've been making a lot of progress, but I need you to keep on going. Spirit says the person that keeps on showing up, and they will reap the fruits of their labor. I commit to my mind, heart, and will. I'm devoted to the needs of my soul. I trust in myself, God, and in the universe, and I continue to stay the course. It's time for you to keep building up your breakthrough by consistently showing up every day, showing up and showing out. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.